Hey everybody, Joe Lapardo here at Token Fest in San Francisco. Yesterday was a great day. I was down in Silicon Valley interviewing the former CTO of General Motors, who's one of our advisors. So did some of that work, also worked on our KYC and the content for that. And today spent the whole day at Token Fest. Been a great day, meeting a lot of great people, a lot of great talks. But that's it for today. I'll be back here tomorrow. Thanks everybody.
Hi everybody. Today we had a very productive discussion with Tal and Shahar about the implementation and the integration of the smart contracts and the blockchain into our mission front-end application. And we defined the flows and the tasks for this implementation, and we'll start tomorrow. Thanks, bye.
Hey guys, so last week I worked on the new DAV Alliance page and passed it today to our web developer as it's ready to begin. I also worked on a new section in the homepage that will gather the top articles and reviews about DAV from around the web, and met with our CTO and R&D manager regarding the DAV SDK, and I reviewed the ongoing implementation with Copter Express, the first drone company that will implement this SDK. And well, this is it for today guys, thanks.
Hey there, Davers. So today was about two main things. The first is working on the KYC and whitelisting process, and the second is work I've done with Shahar and Anatoly on the DAV SDK and how it integrates with the blockchain, both within the Missions app and Captain. See you tomorrow.
Hi guys. So today I had two interviews with some interesting guys. So we've yet to decide on if we're continuing process with them, and also I've talked with Lior regarding the DAV SDK that we're creating right now for the Copter Express integration project. So stay tuned.
Hey there, Davers, Alec here. Our week has started. The weekend has been really good. John managed to outbound to 28 different companies. We're setting up a few calls for later this week. I'm dedicating most of my day to, again, add more names to our list, but mostly do a little bit of brainstorm towards our upcoming outbound strategy to different ride-hailing companies and taxi companies and even driver unions. So we'll see how that will go. Have a very fruitful week. Bye now.
Hey everyone, I'm here with Donald and Sherry at Movie Innovations, and we were talking about smart cities and the things that we could do to collaborate together at the DAV Alliance. Wave guys.
Hello.
See you guys next week.
Hi guys. Today makes sunny spring day in Thailand, and I'm full of energy for my creativity task. Today I'll continue design new page DAV Alliance. Yesterday I made a few variants this page, but we continue from the beta variants. After then I'll start new big task, banner ideas. I made 90 different banners and it will take some time. Have a nice day and see you tomorrow.